So glad that's over. I'm fucking recording! I'm gonna kill myself tonight. Just trying to play some Fire Emblem Fates Birthright, and this shit is fucking me up. Stop recording! I can't fucking breathe! I can't. Oh god, this shit is actually hurting! Stop fucking recording!
No.
I'm fucking dying over here! And here you are, laughing your ass off. Like, tra-la-la-la, I'm just gonna let my son die! Fuck you! Stop laughing! This making this shit worse! I am not George Floyd. I need to breathe. I'm glad someone's enjoying this. I mean, it's not like I'm having a heart attack over it. You're gonna fucking die! I can't. Fucking pistols over any moment. I'm glad someone's enjoying this. Are you done? I mean, your wheezing is kind of.
It's funny. And nobody has ever died from having hiccups. Oh, that hurts.
I just want to breathe, man. I just want to breathe. Here you are laughing your fucking ass off. I'm over here having a heart attack. You ain't doing jack shit to help. I'm your son, not your laughing gas.
Are you done with your fit? Your fit?
I think I am.
Are you sure?
Don't you fucking jinx it.
Yeah, I think you're done. No more.
Don't jinx it.
It's not gonna happen again.
Don't jinx it. Yeah, it's over.
Okay, good.
I'm killing myself to death. Are you done enjoying my pain?
That was a pretty severe fit of hiccups, Daniel. I couldn't resist.
Couldn't resist what? Recording me? Hey,
Yes.
guess what? World star. I'm over here trying to play my Nintendo, having the biggest hiccups of my life, and here you are fucking recording me.
Yes, of course. Duh.
Go to hell.